Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the diesel filter that is located in the lower left of the engine compartment. Remove the pin from the first fuel inlet conduit, then separate them. Then, using a pair of pliers, compress the hose retaining ring. Repeat the operation on the last hose. With a small flathead screwdriver, finish by removing the hoses from the diesel filter. Position the hoses so that the fuel contained in them doesn't flow out. With the same screwdriver, separate the holding studs from the filter to free it. Remove the filter from its housing. Place the filter into a container to collect the liquid underneath. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. Remove the two joints using a flathead screwdriver.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter. Replace the gaskets with those applied in the new filter box, taking care to lubricate the surface thoroughly. Take the new filter, remove the covers, then insert the new filter element by pushing downwards. Be careful about the positioning, the tubes must be in front of the hoses. Then reconnect the first hose and replace the pin. Reconnect both fuel hoses. Lock the hoses by correctly positioning the hose clamp. Switch on the ignition several times to fill the filter with electric fuel pump. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.